the river. Oh, yeah.
Greetings, my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome to the Scare Factor. Tonight we're up in Fremont, Ohio at the Haunted Hydro. It's the first time we've been here since they've come under new management, but this is no ordinary trip to the Hydro. We're here for their clown invasion, and they're offering an extreme tour. So we're gonna throw on some white shirts and see just how bloody we can come out on the other side.
Tammy?
Oh, they're ready for you.
They know we're coming.
They're all you. Put your backs on that wall.
Okay.
Scoot down.
Shut
You tell me why you're trying to invade my village, or I will feed you to Mondo.
We want to see the clown.
You want to see the clown?
Yes.
Well, we're right here. But you're trying to take it back, are you?
No.
Trying to take my village back.
No.
Like the maggots you are.
No.
Now you're gonna have to die by Mongo. So, wait right there.
We know who Mongo is.
I need you to know where you are. Yes, and your hair, because
I'm gonna need those baby wipes.
And your eyes, and your mouth. So he doesn't just eat you. He throws you around in the river. Oh, yeah. Welcome to the legendary Fog Harbor.
Go ahead,
Yes, you maggots! You'll you not know how to walk.
It's Mongo! It's Mongo!
Oh my God, that blood is warm.
What is it?
It's another clown. Oh, you got a balloon. Oh.
I smell deep shame amongst you all.
Oh,
Maybe.
Oh, it is.
Just a little bit.
Don't listen to Justin Bieber.
No, I don't.
Welcome to the cemetery!
Hi, hi.
My goodness! What happened to you? I think we need to get you to a very important place, okay?
You finished?
Come here!
Stand.
Right here!
Oh. Can we get in there?
Step right on inside!
God.
Run on! I need you to give me a lovely little praise for this one.
We pray that Nora gets out of the coffin.
I mean, she can stay. Oh, wait, here comes the spiders. Are you ready for
The spiders, yeah.
It was a haunted casket.
You like my balloons?
Yes, they're so pretty. Yeah, I do. I love them.
I love your balloons. They're wonderful.
God
Oh,
dang.
there's a big one up there.
Oh, shed.
Shit.
It's gross. We just need a radio to call for help.
Got a little camper things. I see you there.
Oh, you do? Yeah.
How's it going?
Whoa.
Are you here to play any games?
Yeah.
What kind of games are we playing? You want to pick a card?
Those
Pick
are
a card. That one means 10 jumping jacks.
Oh, I didn't know you guys had to worry.
2, 3, 4.
Oh, I don't like it.
Excuse me.
Some water.
Oh, I
There's
don't want
fighting
to
over there.
Ew, no, don't. Ew.
Oh, no.
I don't know why I did this. This is your all's fault. And now I've got blood in my ear.
Oh, no. I think I do too. Am I right one?
That one right there?
Yes, Tyler, stop. It's already warm. I like it. I don't either. Oh, God. What's going to happen?
So suspenseful.
Do I finally have friends for dinner?
Oh, yeah. Sure. As
I
long
need
as,
a +1.
Oh.
Weird.
I didn't do it.
I just said I like to.
Hi, Tammy.
Tammy, caw-caw! Caw-caw! As soon as I saw that song, I was like, oh no, Tammy's by herself.
I heard it and I started running.
It's a clown bushman.
Oh, fudge.
That's a big fudge.
That is big. Go away. I think we need a bath in that river over there. Whose blood is this?
You better keep on moving. They're ready for you. I can't wait.
I don't know. He went that way. Oh, Lord. This is creepy. Oh God. Oh, praise. I praise you. Beautiful. That feels real.
It is real.
Oh, God.
It's very real.
Yeah, it is. Oh, that casket and that body is real.
Oh, it's a wolf.
What you think about that? Like,
That is beautiful paint.
beautiful paint?
What did you do to
that's
his
not
nose?
blood or anything, right?
No. There's no blood.
It's not
Never
clown blood.
trust a clown.
Try it. Try it.
Try it?
This one.
Mm.
Don't say that.
Oh God.
You'll have that when the wall spins in circles.
What do you spin? It's not spinning.
It's the spinning.
Oh.
Is it spinning or are we spinning?
I don't know. I think they're
Oh,
spinning.
that's what's going on.
Oh my God, I'm still spinning.
Oh, you're so pretty. You got fit right here on the wall.
Narcosis! No! Take this one!
No!
This
No!
one!
She's one that gets go.
No!
Oh my God, it's a giant electrical. Ooh, goodbye. That's a good spot.
Smile! No, not smile!
Hey, stop him. He's trying to get in. Stop him. Yeah.
Oh my.
You got him.
This is gross.
Something just touched me.
Down the speakeasy. There goes Lindsay. It's just Lindsay.
Oh, I think she's afraid of people.
It's okay. You don't have to be afraid. Uh-oh. No.
Oh, no.
Oh, we gotta go on there?
Where do I go now?
She's not a tall person. Hey. Chain maze. Oh my! What are you doing in there? Whoa, look at that pit. That big old pit. Woo!
Nora!
There's Nora down there! So cool.
Come on, you want some jelly?
Some deli?
Yeah.
Is it vegan? Oh no! Absolutely not. I'm gonna pass. Oh wait, that's not Nora, is it? Nora!
Lindsay! Come on, just
Oh,
here
God.
and then go! And the jelly will run right out of your ear.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Sure.
No, I don't know.
I'm good, thank you. Sure? Yeah. Are you gonna say you're a big
I smell the jelly on you.
Oh yeah, it's a thing. Oh, you get more jelly. Oh yeah. You guys, look out for it.
Tyler!
Oh God. Big hellhound. Ooh, I think we survived. Nora and Lindsay may not have survived.
Okay. We can handle this.
I think you're right. I think
they got him.
They got him.
Oh, shit.
Oh, holy dude. No, stay right there. Stay right there.
What'd they do
Me
to
in
you
the
in there?
dark by myself. They sent me almost to the beginning.
Oh man.
We got turned into jam.
And then
Right.
they sent me
It must
down
have
this
been
hole
like
and sent Lindsay down that hole, and we met each other like this.
Oh.
We were sword fighting.
Sword fighting. Well, if you enjoyed this walk through the Haunted Hydro, I got another video for you right here. This one's Fear Columbus. We went through for their Nightmare Combat event. That one's also super interactive. You're not going to want to miss it. I'll see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.